Completed in 1883, the Brooklyn Bridge was the first steel wire suspension bridge ever built. Designed by John A. Roebling and completed by his son, Washington, it took 14 years to construct. Talk about dedication. The bridge features a unique hybrid cable-stayed/suspension design and is about 1,825 meters long, with 2 granite towers standing 84 meters tall. These towers are true New York icons. Now let's talk about the pedestrian walkway. Above the vehicle lanes, it offers stunning views of the Manhattan skyline, the Statue of Liberty and the East River. Perfect for a walk, jog or bike ride. The Brooklyn Bridge isn't just a marvel of engineering, it's a cultural treasure. Featured in films, TV shows and books, it symbolizes NYC and American ingenuity. It's even a National Historic Landmark. So when in New York City, don't miss the chance to walk or bike across the Brooklyn Bridge. Experience the city's architecture, history and vibrant life from a whole new perspective.